much American Pharoah. You've heard me all year, you've heard Ron all year, Justin all year. I think that this horse has meant so much for us as a family, and I'm sure for all of you who are fans. But we're a very close family. We enjoyed every minute of it. The person that holds us all together, that I'm in debt, my best friend, my best love for 27 years is Joanne Zayat. She never ever speaks in public, but she's the one who holds this family and all of us together through thin and thick, hearts and joy, heartbreaking moment. And what we are getting, especially for those of you, my special wife, to be the one to accept that award on behalf of the Baffords, the Zayats, and the Espinosa, and the whole fans.
So it's not often that I get up in front of you guys. I frequently get up in front of philanthropies and school boards and things like that. So this is a whole new venue for me, so bear with me. I speak at every family affair, but I look at you as family, so here goes. Thank you on behalf of my entire family. We want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. This is an incredible honor. We sat here for the first time last year and took home 2-year-old of the year, and I thought actually, game over. I really didn't think that we'd be here again. But I don't even know what to say. The media has been great. They've been challenging, but I want to thank you all. You've all made us better people. The Zayats are really a close family, if you can't tell. We win together, we laugh together, we cry together. I never thought we could get any closer, but American Pharoah did just that. It brought us closer, with our new family, the Baffords, who I don't really know how we're going to go with 3 weeks without seeing them at any given point. We'll have to figure that one out. This journey has been really surreal. We entered this game about 9.5 years ago, and if you had told me at that point that we would win multiple grade ones, we'd come second in the Kentucky Derby, not once, not twice, but 3 times, that one year we'd even win the Triple Crown of Seconds, I would have said, you're crazy, I don't believe it, what are we doing, what kind of game is this? But we ventured in and we came in whole hog. We started this with this win with American Pharoah going off to the Breeders' Cup Juvenile, and he got hurt, and we all looked at each other and we said, not again, we can't do this again. I looked at my husband and I said, I don't know if I can take it again. We thought we had it, what are we gonna do? And he said, hang tight, we're gonna be okay, we're gonna be okay. So we started, and we let him have a layoff, and we hired the best trainer in the world, the funniest trainer in the world, and now somebody who we consider a best friend. Bob gave him the training of a lifetime. My boys got to see tracks in areas and states they've never been. Lalo got to leave California, which I don't think he ever dreamed of, and it was the trip of a lifetime. We went to the Derby and we won. I have to confess, I didn't see Pharoah come across the finish line, because when he started coming up the end and it looked like we were going to get nipped at the wire, I put my hands over my eyes, I cried, and I said to Justin, I can't do it again. I can't do this one more time. The next thing I know, I was flying in the air and he's like, Mommy, we've won. And I was like in a state of shock. A state of shock is really what it was like when we won the Triple Crown. The Triple Crown is the jewel, the dream of a lifetime. I remember seeing Secretariat and hearing all about it. And this is really quite surreal. I want to thank all of you, the fans, the media, the other owners, the trainers, the other wives who made me feel so welcome when we came into the game. It's really unusual to be, I guess, what we call first-time owners, meaning we're the first generation and my kids will be the second generation. I looked at everybody like the Phipps and all the other owners who were second and third generation owners, and I was in awe of them. My kids always joke, now Ma, you're like Penny Chenery, but I'm really in awe of all of you who stick it out through the good times and the bad times in this game, because we all know the highs are really high and the lows are really low, and you gotta pull it up and pull up your bootstraps and come back to the track, and that's what everybody here has done. This horse has given us all a tremendous amount of love. He's a horse that, basically, he's got a personality. He's like a teddy bear. He wants you to see him. He wants you to pet him. He wants you to be his friend. And that's really quite special. What I look at him is, I look at American Pharoah as America's horse. He's really the people's horse, and he was the horse of hope for all, for the Triple Crown. And now, I want to thank you all for crowning us the Horse of the Year, Breeder of the Year, Owner of the Year. This night has been amazing for us. And I just want to thank you, and I want you to thank you all for sharing it with us, because you're all very special to us. Some of you we know better than others, but this has been a wild ride. And we look forward to 2017, 16 being great. I don't think we could top it, but we can all try. Thank you.